السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Our lesson today is calculating angles. Calculating angles. If we have triangles like this, A, B, C, we have, my friends, the sum of measure of the three anterior angles of the triangle equal 180 degrees. That means measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal 180 degrees. If he give me the measure of two angles in the triangles, then I can find the measure of the third angle equal 180 minus between brackets the sum of measure of the two angles. Okay? For example, okay? If we have a triangle like this, A, B, C, we have measure of angle B equal 90 degrees. This is a symbol of the right angle. And we have here measure of angle C, for example, 60 degree. He asked me to find measure of angle A. As we said before, the sum of measure of the three interior angle of triangle equals 180. Then measure of angle A equal 180 minus between brackets 90 plus 60 equal 180 minus 150 equal 30 degree. Okay? If we have a straight line like this, and we have two rays intersect at the straight line, the sum of measure of the angles on straight line, the sum of measures of angles on straight line equal 180 degree. Because these angles form a straight angle like this, and we have the sum, the measure of the straight angle equal 180 degree. If, for example, measure of this angle 90 degree and measure of this angle 40 degree, we want to find the measure of this angle. A, B, C, D, E. Again, the sum of measure of the angles on straight line equal 180 degree. All these angles, it's measure 180 degree. Then measure of angle A, B, C equal 180 minus between brackets 90 plus 40 equal 180 minus 130 equal 50 degree. We have here, my friends, some rays intersect at one point, some rays intersect at one point, okay? This formed angles, this angle is called accumulated angle at a point or angles around the point, the same. Accumulated angle at a point, around a point, cumulative angles at point, or angles around the point, it's measure 360 degree. If we have, for example, we have here A, B, C, D, E. Okay, measure of angle DBC equal 90 degree. Measure of angle DBE equal 30 degree. Measure of angle EBA, for example, equal 80 degree. Find measure of angle ABC. As we said before, measure of angle ABC equal 360 minus. Why 360? Because the sum of measure of the accumulated angles equals 360 degree. The measure of the angles around a point equals 360 degree, equal 360 minus, between brackets, 90 plus 80 plus 30 equal 360 minus 200 minus 200. Okay, 90 plus 80 equal 170. 170 plus 30 equal 200, equal 360 minus 200 equal 160 degree. We have again, my friends, the sum of measure of the three interior angles of the triangles equal 180 degree. We have also the measure of the angles, on a straight line equal 180 degree, and we have also the sum of measure of the accumulative angles at a point equals 360 degree, or angles around the point equals 360 degree. Thank you for you. Until we meet again. Goodbye, my friends. Thank you.